guys, welcome back to the Kate and I crafting show. Today is not going to be any particular craft, it's going to be, well, it's slime, but it's kind of like a challenge. So it's going to be the 3 colors of slime challenge. So I'm just going to show you the ingredients and then we're going to get started. So the first thing there is the activator, which is borax. Just looks like normal water, but it's actually borax, yeah. The next ingredient that you're going to need is shaving foam. This is optional. This isn't optional. Glue. You need glue for your slime. And then the thing I've been needed is 3 colors of these. No particular than 3, but it could be any 3, but yeah. Also, a blindfold, a container bowl, and a spoon. The blindfold is to blindfold and pick the colors. So that's all you'll be needing for this craft. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is add some glue. Depending on how big you want your slime to be is how much glue you put in. If you're not adding shaving foam, I'm adding shaving foam. Do you still feel plenty of this future? And muchly when it gets so, I'm stopping here. Because that's the thickness of glue I want, but I've not got much glue left for a different slime. So now I'm going to be adding the optional thing that goes out the way, and that's shaving foam. God, it goes this way. Shake, shake, shake. Make sure you shake it. Shake it upside down. I'll just shake it upwards, and hopefully that breaks now. A little bit runny, but yeah. I got my fingers. That much shaving foam. We're just gonna take this into my spoon and put the lid on. And so basically that's how much shaving foam I want. It's up to you how much shaving foam you want. And then I'm just going to mix it. It'll look very liquidy. The shaving foam was on the liquidy side today. So yeah, so maybe it's faulty shaving foam, but yeah. I'm trying to let you see the whole bowl. Yeah, no, it is now. I think it goes up to there, it doesn't. Once you've mixed it thoroughly, got all the shaving foam and glue together, your spoon is a little bit thingy. Now it's time to, just gonna sit that back for this bit because it's time to add the. So I'm just gonna put my bowl to the side for this bit because it's time to choose the colors. So ready? You won't be able to see the colors, but you'll get it good. This is the first color that I got. I don't know what color it is yet. But yeah. So this is the second color I got. I'm going to do the third dip. guys, as you can see, these are the 3 colors I'll be using. So I got pink, gold glitter, and pink. Pink, gold glitter, and blue. So this paint box is out of the way now. It's shut and it's out of the camera. You may be able to still see it, and the bowl comes back in. So now let's add, guys. Now let's add the colors. But first, I'm gonna add the pink. There you go. People might not use paint in here. I'm gonna turn it over so you might be able to see me. Yeah, that's how much pink I'm using. Probably got any pink left, that's fine. I'm going to use the solid colors and then I'm going to use the gold. I have things left of this, guys, so I'm just going to shake it. Shake. And I'm going to open it and squeeze. Yeah, now we added the colors so you can see the blue. Going to add the final color, which isn't really, but a lot of sprinkles in. Gonna shake. This one I know it's got loads in. I'm not deciding to show up. What a bummer. Pick a different one. So the third color is purple, since the other one didn't. Squirting the purple now. So that's the purple. I'm gonna add a bit more blue now. Bit more blue, squeezing you go. Yes. Don't do it with the lid open. Do it over the bowl and then squeeze. So now all that's added to get it looks pink, so I'm going to shake it. I'm going to add basically every color again, but now except the purple. And I got a few more drops out of the pink. So now I'm putting these babies away. So that's my color. So let's mix it and see what color it turns. I'm going to turn it on. So ready, steady, go. I'm really excited to see because the 3 colors I added are some really pretty. Like, my bowl is amazing at the moment. Looks like the purple's overtaking every color. Turned into a really pretty lavender, but I'm gonna have to get this started by mixing. I'm just going to mix. Let's see what color it's turning. Yeah, that's how pretty it is. For the moment it's still liquidy, but the minute I add a bit of my activator, yes. I'll wait during this into sign because it's a really pretty lavender purple. Just gonna see if I can get this color a bit more bluey. So ready, steady, go. And still adding my colors and every now and then. But you have to shake. And squirt. Yes, that's enough blue. I'm not adding any more pink or no purple. Just gonna see if I can get a bit more color into this. Wow! got a really pretty purple now. I don't know what color it'll turn, but I think it'll turn a solid purple no matter how much color you use. This is really good because it kind of looks purple, but it has blue accents in it, and it's really thick. See it when it's in. So yeah, so this is it so far. Just gonna spray it on and get mixing. Mixing me. Just gonna check out. I think I pretty much got the color now through the whole piece. Color that I wanted. Anyway, and it's a really cute lavender color. So what I'm going to do. At the thing that makes it slime activator. Just gonna let it splash first. I think I just spilled it on my mat, so yeah. So yeah, now let's mix it. As soon as you start mixing it, it comes more into slime. Borax is the key ingredient. I'm literally gonna mix it. At the moment it's really gooey and thingy, but the more you mix it, the more you add borax, it'll turn into slime. Hopefully. I literally just touched it. Why did I do that? So stupid. I guess I can rub it on my mat. Just gonna add a bit more borax, but not to what I did before. Whoa, I think I overpowered it. This might actually work, cause like, yeah. I don't want to end like Venus activator slime. Yeah, you know Karina from Sis vs. Bro, I don't want it to act that, but hopefully by this, it'll turn into slime. As you can see, it's still sticky because like sticking to my spoon. It's getting better, believe it or not. It's turning definitely into more slime. This might be a gut thing. Might be good, so I'm just gonna touch it and see. It's not actually that bad, but I'm not gonna start mixing it yet because I'm gonna add activator into this bit because so far this bit ain't activating like good. It's not very bad now. Believe it or not, it's still on the sticky side and I don't want to touch it yet. I check it now and then and see if it's safe for touching. Really, it isn't. Still sticky and gooey and stuff like that, but that's how slime starts off. This is a massive batch. Literally, I keep adding activator and mix. Playing with my hands. Literally, it's that good. Nearly all the slime is coming off my spoon in my hands, and when I poke it in my slime. Pretty good, people. This slime is turning. I don't think it's ready for me touching it, though. As you can see, I'm still touching it. Needs a lot more activator, as you can see. Bum, 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 bum. And I think I'm gonna get this spoon clean just by doing that and that. Pretty much got it clean, but it's not clean yet, so I'm just gonna need a bit more activator. So I added a bit more activator to see if it gets better. I want it to be the most non-slicky slime I've ever had. You add it in a bit at a time, guys. It's a really pretty purple color. You should see this purple color. I think it's really pretty. I think it's nearly ready for me to start playing and touching with it. Really glossy and a bit clicky. But when I click it, because it's so sticky, it bounces to my fingers. Look. It's getting too hard for me to mix with the spoon. I think it's nearly ready. Surprisingly, I'm not so sure. It is a bit sticky at the bottom. Still, it come off the bowl for the first time. I'm so happy. Look, it literally come off the bowl. It's literally ready. Guys, do you think this slime is ready? It's still sticky. Yeah, still sticky. I need to add a bit more activator. Because if you add too much activator in slime, everyone knows it. I'm not pretty much using my hands yet. Because I want it to be perfect slime before I touch it. Which is getting hard for me to stir it. So I think it's nearly ready. Yep. Pretty much ready, guys. This is the biggest slime ever made. Add the spoon to the side and see if it's good. Still sticky when I touch it. Literally, I want like that. Oh, look. Yes, it's still sticky when I touch it. It's pretty good. Look at this guy. I'm gonna see if I add a bit more activator and play with it a bit more. I can get my hands virtually clean. I want it to be virtually clean, my hands. I think I added a bit too much activator there. I don't like touching activator, literally. I'm gonna take it away from the bowl and mix it. Oh my god, I can't believe it. It's the first time it's ever come off this bowl. And the bowl is more or less clean, which is pretty surprising. Look at this slime, guys. This video took 18 minutes. Can you believe it? Thank you for watching me make this awesome slime. Stay tuned because you want to see me put glitter in, right? The most slipperiest slime ever. So yeah, if you want to bring me put glitter in, then watch me put glitter in this. It's not really glitter, it's more confetti. But let's put confetti in then. This is how long I'm just gonna see if I leave it on the mat and lift it. This is not even sticky, literally. If I leave it on the mat and lift it, I'm gonna put the bowl to the side for a sec while I just clean my amazing hands with this amazing slime. Look at this slime, people. This is amazing. Challenge. Ew. Ow. When my dogs before you. So this is nearly finished. How do I say nearly? It's practically finished. This next bit is optional, guys. Optional. Let's do is first put it on there. First get all your hands clean from this slime. You might need to dry them, but apart from that, your slime hands will be fine. Just keep putting. Now it's time to add my glitter. Just these already. Steady. Slime is gonna get sparked up. This glitter all over it. It's gonna be the crunchiest, most relaxing slime I've ever made. Guys, all my slimes at the moment are gooey messes. So this is a finished result, people. Thank you for watching, guys, and hope you stay tuned and yes, to this channel. Hope you subscribe, but thank you for watching. So make sure you subscribe and like this channel from this video. So, bye guys. If you want to see my slime collection or my squishy collection, or want to make more slime videos with Isabella, comment down below if you want to see Isabella in my house. Comment. I really need to know, guys. But I'm gonna put my slime in the container for a sec while thank you for watching and bye. Hope you liked my vid today. But before it's a really long end, so it's really long videos, but thank you for watching and bye.